Hello my fellow pals, how are you? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine and taking all the necessary precautions given by government to curb COVID-19 pandemic. But still I'm sure you must be continuing your fitness journey. I'm also doing so and I hope you are also doing. I'm your friend Zishan, father of a cute little boy, husband of a superwoman, a huge cricket fan, pool and snooker player and learning design consultant. I'm yet again here with my 17th week video of my fitness journey. So let's see how it was. Let's get started. This week tip is also very important, but before giving the tip of the week, I just want to put down a disclaimer that whatever tips I have given you till now as part of my fitness journey, I'm not giving you all sort of gyan. Whatever I implement in my life, I usually tell you, or at least I try to do. So whatever tips I have given you till now, it's my personal experience that is helping me a lot, and I hope whenever you will apply these in your life and in your fitness journey, it will help you a lot in a big way as well. This week tip is to drink a glass of warm water empty stomach in the morning. So whenever you wake up early in the morning, please have a glass of warm water early in the morning, and it will help you in so many ways. And there are different benefits. I'll give you, let's say I'll give you 5 benefits. Now the first benefit is that warm water increases your metabolism, and it is the ideal way to start your day and to increase your slow down processes of your body. Now the second benefit is warm water reduces your appetite. So before eating your breakfast, lunch and dinner, have a glass or a cup of hot water or a warm water 30 minutes before you eat, and you will see the magic. The third important thing is that it reduces your crave. I also crave a lot of stuff which is not good for my health, and there are days where I do so, but I apply one trick. I usually have a glass of or a cup of hot water, and I wait for 20 minutes. You should also do it and you will see the magic. Your craving will definitely going to come down. Now the fourth benefit of warm water, it reduces or breaks fat molecules in your body, and it will help your body to burn these fat very easily. Fifth benefit, which is important, it maintains the temperature of your body. It helps in digestion, secretion of nutrients and excretion of waste from your body very easily. All in all, these are some of the benefits. There are other and numerous benefits. You can go and Google and you will check out. These are some of the benefits which I usually see when I apply this particular tip in my fitness journey, and definitely it will going to help you as well in a big way. So please include it as part of your fitness journey. Now coming back to the overview section, as you can see in my 17th week, I have spent a lot of time in my fitness initiatives, and I have covered actually 6 days in this particular week. This week have been extremely good for me, and I hope next weeks are also like this. Let's see how it will go, and I'll keep you posted there. Coming back to the overall fitness tracker section, this is the tracker. So I have invested around 7 hours in my 17th week, walked around 24.5 kilometers and burnt around 2700 calories in my 17th week, and this week has been satisfactory for me, and these are the data which is helping me to continue my fitness journey. All these trackers and my data is there in the description section. You can also go and download and use it as part of your fitness journey also. So all in all, my 17th week has been extremely good, and I'm quite satisfied with my performance, and I'll keep you posted about my next week. And till then, please take care of yourself. Do follow the government guidelines, and at the same time do not forget to take your fitness initiatives and continue your fitness journey. It will definitely going to help you in a long run. Bye bye, see you, love you all.